Hello everyone. Welcome again in my lecture series on measures of dispersion. Now today, in this particular lecture, I move to another method, and that is mean deviation, or you can say this average deviation. So mean deviation or average deviation both are same thing. Here the mean or average value is utilized to find out deviation, to find out scatteredness, and that is the reason why it is called mean deviation. It means that this mean and average is taken into account to find out the deviation value. So now this mean deviation and average deviation, what is the definition? How we solve the problem? So first I introduced one simple definition of mean deviation or average deviation, and then its important formula I will discuss. So note down the definition of mean or average deviation. So mean or average deviation is the average amount of scattered of items in the distribution from either the mean, median or mode, ignoring the sign of the deviation. The important thing in mean deviation or average deviation, we are ignoring the sign of deviation. We are ignoring the sign of deviation. So in mathematics, how we ignore the sign of deviation? By taking mod value. So any negative value within the mod is considered as positive value. So in mean calculation, in mean deviation or average deviation, we are ignoring the sign. Now again I repeat the definition. The average deviation is the average amount of scattered of item in the distribution from either the mean or median or mode, ignoring the sign of deviation. Now again, since mean, median is utilized to find out scatteredness, to find out the deviation of the distribution, hence it is called mean deviation or average deviation. Now, how you calculate mean deviation? There is so many formula. So in mean deviation, now you note down the step by step the formula which is required for group ungrouped data as well as ungrouped data. Now mean deviation is calculation for mean, median and mode. So I am writing here mean deviation, MD, short form I am writing mean deviation as MD. Mean deviation about mean. So I am calculating mean deviation about mean. So mean deviation about mean is calculated for the group data, ungrouped data and group data. Ungrouped and group data. Now for ungrouped data, my mean deviation about mean formula is equal to summation of mod value of x minus mean value divided by summation of all the observation. For group data where frequency is involved, so here important parameter is frequency. So you need to multiply in this formula, you need to multiply the frequency term with rest remain same, mod of x minus mean value divided by this n is replaced by summation of frequency. This n is replaced by summation of frequency. So now mean deviation about mean is calculation for ungrouped data and group data. For ungrouped data, this is my formula, and for group data, this will be my formula. Now for mean deviation about median. Now mean deviation about median, again it is for ungrouped and group data. So in group data, again frequency is involved. So in ungrouped data, my mean formula is calculated as mean deviation about median is calculated as summation of x minus median value divided by number of observation. And for group data, my value of mean deviation about mean, the formula is summation of, again you need to multiply this value by f, the frequency value mentioned in the question. The rest things remain same, and this n is replaced by summation of frequency. So now this is mean deviation about median. Ungrouped data, this is the formula. For group data, this will be my formula. Now for mode. mean deviation about mode. So hardly this required, mean deviation about mode, but I give you this as an additional tool. Most of the time we require only mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median, because this will give the average value. So this is the maximum frequency occurring system, but if the question asks if there is a requirement of calculation of mean deviation about mode, then only you apply this. Otherwise, every question consists of two things: mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. But still, with the help of this, I can also derive and find out the value of mean deviation about mode by using this formula. This is again for ungrouped, and group data. In group data, where the frequency is given in the numerical. So ungrouped data, my mean deviation about mode is given by summation of x minus mode value divided by number of observations. This is, since frequency is involved, so you need to multiply this value with frequency x minus mode value divided by summation of f. Now this is easy to remember. Here the summation of only difference of each variable with mean, each variable with median, each variable with mode. So whenever the ungrouped data come, there is no frequency involved. Okay, there is no frequency multiplication. Here the value is n. But whenever the group data, whenever the group value is given to you, in group value, the frequency multiplication play a very important role. So this is here the summation of what the frequency multiplied by this term, and this n is replaced by summation of frequency. Keep in mind, this n is replaced by summation of frequency, which is given in the numerical. So this is the formula required for calculation of mean deviation or average deviation about mean, about median, about mode. So I hope this thing is clear. Additionally, one thing I also want to discuss with you is this x value is what? This x value is given in the numerical. This is each variable value. Okay, each observation value which is given in the numerical. Okay, which is given in the numerical. And this mean, median and mode you need to calculate. So every question you need to calculate mean value, median value and mode value depending upon which parameter required. If mean deviation about mean required, so you only calculate mean value. If mean deviation about median required, then you only calculate median value. If mean deviation about mode required, then you only calculate mode value. And you all know how to calculate mean, median and mode for ungrouped data and group data. So you make sure that whenever the numerical is given to you, first you think this data is ungrouped data or group data. If this is ungrouped data, then find out the value of mean, median and mode by ungrouped method. Okay, you all know this thing. And whenever group data is given to you, then how you calculate mean and mode, you all know these things. Okay, so first you calculate mean, median and mode, and then rest thing by using this formula, I will calculate mean deviation about median, mode and mean. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you. This is simple a formula.